Subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get the updates of my latest recipes. Welcome to my channel. Dry green sauce preparation. 10 to 12 green chilies. Half cup coriander. Half cup mint leaves. Half cup roasted gram. 1 tablespoon chopped ginger. 1 tablespoon raw mango. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. 1 teaspoon cumin powder. 1/4 teaspoon black salt. Half a teaspoon salt. Grind it well. Tamarind sauce preparation. 1/4 cup tamarind clean washed and soaked in half cup warm water. Half cup seedless dates soaked in half cup warm water. Grind it into fine paste. Add the paste into pan and cook on slow flame. Add 3 cup water. Mix it well. 1 teaspoon cumin powder. Half a teaspoon dry ginger powder. Half a teaspoon black salt. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon red chili powder. Mix well. Half cup sugar. 40 grams jaggery. After one boil, cook for 30 minutes on slow flame. Cool it till room temperature. Dry bhel or dry puff rice preparation. 8 cup puff rice. Roast on medium flame for 5 minutes. Assembling. Add 1/4 cup roasted peanuts in 4 cup roasted puff rice. 1 finely chopped tomato. 1 finely chopped onion. 2 boiled and chopped potato. 2 tablespoons finely chopped raw mango. 1/4 cup nylon sieve, available in Indian store. 2 teaspoons chopped coriander. 3 teaspoons dry green sauce or as per taste. 1 teaspoon chaat masala, available in Indian store. 1/4 cup roasted spice split gram. Half cup whole roasted gram. Combine everything nicely. Poddy is required, recipe in the description box. Lemon juice as per taste. Spicy roasted split gram. Nylon sieve. Chopped coriander. Raw mango. Poddy. Dry bhel is ready. Wet bhel or wet puff rice. Take prepared dry bhel. Add half cup prepared tamarind sauce. Mix it nicely. Tamarind sauce. Wet bhel is ready. Enjoy your meal. Ingredients are available in the description box. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.